So today I'm about to show you how to reset a canvas in Flowith IO. When your infinite workspace gets cluttered with too many parent nodes, child branches, or expired AI recipes, staring at a messy board can kill your creative flow. Instead of manually deleting nodes one by one, you can completely clear the slate instantly. To quickly wipe your canvas clean, you can use a built-in platform hotkey. Simply press the X key on your keyboard to trigger the clear all command. This will immediately flushes out active generation data and leaves you with fresh workspace. If you prefer using mouse controls, look at the top left navigation panel where your active flow name is listed. Click the drop-down menu and select the new flow option to open up brand new empty canvas. You can also bulk delete specific sections by holding down the Shift key, selecting the unwanted node, and hitting backspace. And that's it. That's how to reset a canvas in Flowith IO. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, and comment down below what other topics you want me to break down next. I'll see you in the next one.